Hi friends, it's Liz here. Thank you for joining me today. I have an unboxing for Stationery Pal and I'm so excited to show you what I got this time. Before I go any further, I will have everything linked in the description box below. Basically, their shop. I also have a coupon code for you, which I will also put on the screen. So if you use Liz, the paper project, if you're shopping on their site, then you will get a discount when you get your items. So I do love that their boxes come filled with lovely goodies. Their bubble wrap is also really cute because it's got the heart shapes. Now, I love to use as much of the items as I can, of course. And so the bubble wrap, I love to use it as almost like a stamp when you've got some acrylic paints and stuff that you want to do some mark making. Those are perfect for that. And also I love to reuse packaging when I am sending out happy mail. So this is wonderful because I feel like it's the box that keeps on giving. I just keep reusing and repurposing as much as I can when I send things out. So the first thing I wanted to get is this washi tape. Now it's very bright, but I have an idea of what I wanted to use it for, which I will show you in a future video. I did end up getting a lot of these sticky notes this time around. So what ended up happening is I asked my daughter to check out some of the items that I was, thinking of getting. And then she ended up saying she wanted to try some out as well. So I thought, what a great idea. She can give me her opinion on these items as well. She's doing a lot of planning and a lot of her own personal kind of journals. And so she likes to use all these different sticky notes and stuff like that. The stickers here, I did a screenshot of them so you could see what's included in the pack, which I thought was really cute. There's this little additional notepad where you can have some more, things you can add again to your planners and that sort of thing. So these are also great if you coffee stain these papers. You can add them as ephemera in journals, which I also enjoy to do. The other two things here is these two little notebooks, which she wanted to try out. So I will actually let you know how they are once she starts using them. Because I know that she likes to test out pens and to see if they go through the paper or not. These little index note papers are so cute because to me they look like little file folders, but I think it's such a great idea because it gives you a lot of space to write whatever you would like to write on it. And then of course you've got the little tab that sticks out. Then she selected these lovely little pastel colors as well. So you can tell there's a lot of tabs that she does for her own planners. And I primarily use these with my magazines. When I'm going through a magazine and getting ideas on things that I want to make, I'll use a bunch of tabs, and color coding for me is also important. So I think that's why she selected those. Now these ones have the graph paper, the little squares. Some are smaller, some are bigger. So I think that's also a great idea to try out. And I love the names on these ones. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. They look like the paint chips. I'm obsessed with paint chips. I don't know about you, but I absolutely love paint chips. So look how cute these are. I love the names and I love the light colors on them. So really cute to have those. And then she also selected this other little notebook. Now, one thing that I like about it is it feels just really nice, the size of it. You can see on the front it has the graph paper and then the plain paper on the back. And then it also has this really nice kind of like pink color design on the inside of the cover. So that's really cute. The next thing we've got is another one of the sticky notes, but this one is for the dots. So as you know, if you do a lot of planning, a lot of people use the sticky notes, to sort of make ephemera as well. These are days of the month, the calendars, and it comes with a lot of stickers. That's why I showed you that one. And then look at these ones. They are so thin. They're like highlight sticky. That's what they call them. So it's like using a highlighter, but like a really thin strip, which I thought was a great idea. And then this is the other set of colors, very similar to this collection, but it's just the different colors that it comes in. So again, I'm loving the different strips of colors. To me, they also look like swatches, which would also be nice to use in a journal, right? Like a journal card. They added a lot of these cute little clips, which I thought was so adorable. My kids already have some of those. I've given them to them anyways. And then we've got these little circle, what are they called? I don't even know what they're called, but I see everyone using them. I love the different tones of the colors in them. And then of course the designs. So you've got all the different little pink dots on this one. So different shades of it and different designs. And then there's a few other ones that are coming out here as well. There's like the blue colors, the green, and then I think there's one more, these ones here that are kind of like a little bit of varied. So these are also great. I see them a lot in like collages. They just add a little extra when you put like a little dot for some reason. And I see a lot of decorations with those. These ones, I think they're so adorable because the colors are not like that bright yellow that you usually see. So it is such a cute design for those as well. Now, I also wanted to try out these Wink of Luna. I have tried the other brand and I love it. So I wanted to try out this brand as well. And I have an idea for those. So I'll come back and show you in the near future what I've done with those. And then one last thing that I'm excited about. I wanted to get the Tombow, the pastel colors as well, because I've been doing a lot more coloring with stamps. So that's another thing that I'm quite excited about to show you. And then the last thing is this monthly times calendar. And I think another great idea, you know, you can get your month view right there when you use it up, and then you can just repurpose and reuse that page when you're done in your journals. So that's it, my friends. Everything will be linked below. I can't wait to show you what I'm doing with some of the items. And I'm also going to link the other videos that I have for Stationery Pal. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll be back very soon with some more videos to share with you.